Hey, my name is Dan Keller, branch manager and mortgage advisor at Cross Country Mortgage right here in Seattle. I've been a power user of Mortgage Coach since 2011, and when I say power user, I simply mean I give a Mortgage Coach experience to every single client. What Mortgage Coach has done is it allowed me to go from being a loan rep, an average loan rep, to being an elite mortgage professional that gives advice, that gives transparency, and options to every single client. It's March of 2020 right now, and I'm finding myself in my third refinance boom since getting into the mortgage industry about a dozen years ago. And what Mortgage Coach is doing right now for me is it's allowing me to communicate effectively and efficiently with all of my past clients. You see, when you've been in the mortgage industry for 10 or 12 years like myself, you serve a lot of past clients, and Mortgage Coach is allowing me to touch them all with a customized savings option report. And what you're going to see on your screen right now is exactly what I'm sending to my clients. I'm giving them three options. You can either lower your rate, you can either pull cash out, or you can lower your term. And what I'm doing with these new mortgage rates is I'm showing them what this means to them and their current situation. If you have any questions on this, I'd love to be a resource, but I just wanted to take a moment and give a big shout out to Mortgage Coach. Dave Savage and his team are just lifesavers when it comes to making me look like a pro, saving my clients money, and helping me be more efficient in my business.